Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change Monopoly Go profile picture. So first of all, you have to open up your Monopoly Go application. On your Monopoly Go application, you will see a lot of options over here. So first of all, you have to click on the three horizontal lines that are present at the top right corner of your screen. Now in the menu, you have to click on your profile icon that is present right above your username. So now from here, you can very easily choose any avatar that you want to use on Monopoly Go. For example, if I want to select this one, then I have to click on save. As you can see, now my avatar is changed. But if you want to use your real photo on Monopoly Go, then first of all you have to connect your application with Facebook. So to do that, you have to click on settings. Now in settings, you have to click on manage account. In manage account, you have to click on play with friends and then complete the verification process of Facebook. Once you have done that, you will be able to connect your Facebook account with Monopoly Go, and by doing this, you will be able to use the Facebook profile picture on Monopoly Go. So everyone, that's how you can change your Monopoly Go profile picture. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.